Hello, what's up guys? Today we have our first episode of learning Prancer under 3 minutes. In this series, we are trying to teach you how to use Prancer for your everyday scanning of the code repositories using Prancer as CSPM and all the other cool features available in Prancer. So now let's start our first episode. In this episode, I want to talk about how to do IaC scan of your Azure ARM template. Let's start. So first, I will create a directory here. And then I will clone our Hello World application to have a basis for our code. In order to do the scanning of your repository, you have to create a connector, but the connector is already available in our repository. The only thing that you need to do is to change the Git provider to point to your Git repository. This is the line that you need to change. Here is a open source project that we have, Prancer ARM with all the ARM template, but you can change this to point to your own Git repository. After modifying this file, you can run the Prancer with Prancer command, and then you can point it to the folder that you have, current folder scenario ARM remote, and I will crawl. So crawler will find all the JSON files, all the ARM template in your Git repository. And then the next step is to run Prancer without the crawling. And it will do all the IaC scans in your Git repository. You can see tests are passed, or if there is any security misconfiguration in the Azure ARM template, you will see the failed test and also the result of the test, and then the description how to fix those problems in your code. And that's it. This is how to run Prancer, and your first lesson in our series of learning Prancer under 3 minutes. But I want to go a little further and show you some other items that you could be interested in. First of all, I will use Visual Studio Code and show you the output of Prancer, because we are generating a JSON file based on the output, all the tests that we are running and the result of that. For example, if the tests are passed or failed, and which files we are running the test, and also the test files, all of them are open source in our Git repository and are available in the Rego language. So you can use this output as your result of the test to store it for future use. Also, it is possible for you to read this file and then get the output based on the failed result. You could fail your pipeline if that's what you want to do with a simple grep command. For example, I can use a simple grep command like this. And then if there is any failed test, I can fail my pipeline. Thank you and have a good day.